In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the Expedia cannot complete booking error so you can get your trip booked without all the frustration and confusion. When you're trying to confirm a flight, hotel, or package and Expedia suddenly says it can't complete the booking, it's often caused by a simple browser or connection issue. The good news is you can usually fix it yourself in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and go to expedia.com like you normally would. You don't need to sign in or start a new search just yet. We're mainly going to fix what's happening in the background of your browser so that the booking page can actually load and process correctly. Next, we're going to adjust some settings in your browser to fix the cannot complete booking problem. Most of the time, Expedia is running into a conflict with old data your browser has saved. Clearing that out gives you a fresh start and often resolves the error immediately. Look to the very top right corner of your browser window and click on the three dots icon. This is usually called the menu or more button. When you click it, a drop-down menu appears with different options like settings, history, and more tools. Take a moment to find it and open that menu. From this menu, you want to look for an option related to your browsing history or privacy, usually called delete browsing data, clear browsing data, or something very similar. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a new window or pop-up that lets you choose exactly what you want to remove from your browser. On this screen, you'll see several checkboxes like browsing history, cookies, cached images and files, and maybe more. For this fix, focus on cached images and files. Make sure that specific option is checked. The cache is just a temporary storage area your browser uses to speed things up, but if it gets out of sync with websites like Expedia, it can cause errors at critical moments, like when you're trying to pay. You don't necessarily have to clear everything else unless you want to. If you're worried about losing saved logins or other data, you can leave cookies and passwords unchecked and just clear the cached images and files. Once you're ready, click the button that says Delete Data, Clear Data, or Clear Now, depending on your browser. This may take a few seconds, especially if you haven't cleared your cache in a while. Just wait until it's finished. After that's done, close the pop-up and reload expedia.com. It's a good idea to completely close the tab and open a fresh one, or even restart the browser, then go back to Expedia and try your search and booking again. And if you still see the error, the next thing to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or your wired network and that the signal is stable. Try opening another website or two to confirm they load quickly. If other sites are slow or failing, you may need to restart your router or switch to a different network or mobile hotspot. Once your connection is stable, return to expedia.com and try completing the booking again. With a cleared cache and a solid internet connection, the cannot complete booking error is usually resolved and you should be able to confirm your trip without any more issues.